In this video, I will show you how to claim Google AI plus a student plan completely for free. And you can see I have already claimed this and I am using it for free. You don't have to cost anything. Just watch this video and you will see how to just fill up the form and get the student plan completely for free. Okay, so let's start. So you can see Google Gemini student plan is available right now and it's actually zero cost to claim it. Okay. So here the Google AI Plan membership student offer updated 19th August 2016 and the offer will be available until 31st December 2016. So you will have few time to just claim the offer and how to claim the offer. So at first you will came to Google and search Gemini Plus free for a student and then go to this website and here you can see Google Gemini student plan for 1 year at no cost. Here you will get better benefit. You can enjoy higher users limit, 400 GB storage, video generation with Gemini Omni for 1 year. Claim a student plan at no cost. You will get more details about the plan here. I will put this link in the video description so that you can just read it. And what actually the requirement? You can see the requirement is you must be a university student aged 18 to 24, and if you have already claimed Google AI Pro free trial as a student, you can also qualify for this. So here you can see, so you will get better benefit, 2x higher users limit, 400 GB of cloud storage, accessing to Google Omni, plus unlimited upload for study notebooks, visuals, and live. Okay, so how is Gemini different from others AI tools for students? You can just read this and how to claim this. To claim this, you will simply click this claim a student plan at no cost. Then it will redirect to this page. Here you can see you must be a university student to claim this offer, and what you will get here, you will enjoy Google AI Plus account. You can use it for research and exam preparation, writing help and career help, effortless content creations, and also enjoy 400 GB storage. You can just see view more benefits and you will see all of these benefit is listed. Okay, so how to claim it? So to claim it, here you can see you need few documents. At first you can see you need to be aged 16 years of age or older. You must be enrolled to a higher educational institute in your country or region where Google AI Plus is supported, successfully verified student status by your educational email address provided by your university. Then you need to have a personal Google account and Google payment account. Okay, so you need to just upload a payment method for Google payment. So it actually not cost anything. You need to just put your Google payment account. Okay, so how to claim it? Here you can see you will simply click this get student offer and then continue. Here you need to just fill up this form. Here you will put your country, your university name or college name, and then your first name, last name, date of birth, and email address. Okay, let me fill up it. Then finally, when you fill up this form, click this verify student status. Then it says sign into your school. So you will simply click this sign into your school. I'm just using my student profile and continue. So when you have something like this, you can see congrats, you have verified it. And let me continue. Okay, agree the terms. And now here you need to add your payment method to your Google account. So it says that add a payment method to your Google account to start your free trial. You don't be charged if you cancel before August 2027. Okay, so no worries, just put your payment method here. Okay, finally subscribe. So now you can see subscribed. Now let me close and you can see welcome to one, and now you will simply get the welcome sessions what you will enjoy. Let me done, and now you can see my account is plus. Now I just claim Google AI Plus account and you can see it here.